what is the .tag feature in tab views for SwiftUI? So in the last video, what I did is I made an @state variable and I binded it to my tab view. And inside of my for each loop, I'm adding a .tag on the item which represents each tab. So for me, that's a Z-stack full of several things. And the .tag value is just assigning a value to each tab. And it's a quick way that we can see which tab the user is currently on. And we're using our tab index to pass in these values. And so like the first tab is going to get if I have 0, the second one 1, etc. And in theory, the tab index and the tag value should be the same, but in a practical sense on the back end, the tab index doesn't really update as frequently or as reliably as the tag value does. And so that's why using the .tag is a reliable way to pass in the correct data to our settings page each time. And also this .tag value is implicit, meaning that if you're just using the basic tags, then even if I don't have this .tag modifier right here, it's still going to be implicit and the code is still going to work. Happy coding!